last class, we dealt with simultaneous linear equations using substitution method. Today, we'll be solving some simultaneous linear equations using elimination method. Example 1. Solve 3x plus 2y equals to 12. 5x minus 3y equals to 1. First and foremost, we'll have to name the equations. So we have 3x plus 2y equals to 12, equation 1. 5x minus 3y equals to 1, equation 2. Elimination method involves getting rid of one of the unknowns by making its coefficients the same in both equations. The unknowns in these equations are x and y. So we are going to get rid of one of the unknowns, either x or y. Now, if we want to get rid of y, we have to make the coefficient of y in these equations to be the same thing. If we want to get rid of x, we have to make the coefficient of x to be the same thing. How do we make the coefficients to be the same thing? What are the coefficients of y? You have 2 and minus 3. Let's just stick with the absolute value. We'll deal with the sign later. So the coefficients are 2 and 3. The question you have to ask yourself is, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. How do I make 2 to become 6? I multiply 2 by 3 to give 6. How do I make 3 to become 6? I multiply 3 by 2 to become 6. So we have multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Equation 1 by 3 is 3 times 3. 3 times 3x, 9x. Plus 3 times 2y, that's 6y. 3 times 12, 36. Now let's multiply equation 2 by 2. Equation 2, 2 times 5x, 10x. 2 times 3y, 6y, which is equals to 2 times 1, 2. You have equation 3, equation 4. Now you can see that you have made the coefficient of y to be the same thing. You have 6 here and you have 6 here. The next thing you have to do now is to look at the sign, to take care of the signs. Now, if the signs are the same thing you had, if the signs are different, you subtract the equations. In this case, the signs are different, so we are going to add the equations. So let's add equation 3 plus equation 4, which implies that 9, so we are adding this. 9x plus 10x, 19x. 36 plus 2, 38. Divide both sides by 19, you have x equals to 38 over 19. And how many 19 will you see in 38? We have 2. X is equals to 2. Substitute x equals to 2 in any of these equations. Let's substitute it in equation 1. So anywhere we see x in equation 1, we put 2. So that's 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 3 times 2 plus 2y equals to 12. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2y equals to 12. So from here you have 2y, collect like terms, 6 is going to the other side, that's 12 minus 6. So that's 2y equals to 6. y is equals to, divide both sides by 2, that's 6 over 2, which is equals to 3. So x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3, or you write it as x comma y equals to 2 comma 3.